Fulfillment by Amazon, or FBA, makes your products more visible to millions of loyal, happy Amazon customers while providing the world-class fulfillment, fast shipping, and acclaimed customer service that can bring your business to the next level.
The first step to starting your Amazon seller account is to go to sell.amazon.com and you're going to click on the sign up button. But warning, be careful because there's actually two different ways that you can sell on Amazon. You can sell with the professional plan, but that's going to cost you $39.99 a month. Or you can sign up with the individual seller account, which is free to sign up for. And to get there, you have to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and click on this button that says sign up to become an individual seller. They kind of hide this feature, and this is a good hack to save a lot of money, especially if you're just starting out on Amazon. And the truth is, you can always upgrade your account from an individual seller to the professional plan later on. But the problem with the individual seller account is you have to pay an extra 99 cents for every product that you sell on Amazon. Sign up for the professional plan when they're creating their Amazon seller account. And the good thing is, Amazon's only going to charge you for the first month that you sign up, and they're not going to charge you again until you actually start selling products on Amazon. And you want to make sure that you sign up for your Amazon seller account a few months before you actually plan to start selling on Amazon, because sometimes there's delays in getting your account approved, and you want to make sure that when you're ready to start selling, your account is fully approved. You can click on the Create Your Amazon Account button. You're then going to put in your name. You're also going to put in your business email. You're going to put in a secure password and you're going to click Next. And now you're ready to start your Amazon seller application. Amazon will tell you everything that you need to have ready, and you're going to scroll down and you're going to click Begin. And the next question Amazon's going to ask you is, where is your business location? And you can sell on Amazon US no matter which country you live in. Amazon will then ask you, what is your entity type for your business? And there are a few different options here. The most common answer to this question is either privately owned business or none, I'm an individual seller. You're then going to put in the business name as it appears on the documents and click on I confirm that my business location type are correct. We're going to scroll down and click on Agree and Continue. You'll then put in your company registration number, and you're going to get this once you apply for your LLC or your DBA. You'll also fill out your registered business address, and this is wherever your business is registered, and you're going to put a phone number that they can use to verify that you are a real person. After that, you're going to put some information about you or whoever the primary contact person is for this business. Generally speaking, it's going to be you. And you'll put your country of citizenship and your country of birth, as well as your date of birth. And you're going to scroll down and they're going to ask you how you want to prove your identity. And if you have a passport, I recommend going with a passport. If you do not, you can always use a driver's license. You'll then select the country where your document was issued, and they're going to ask for your passport number and the date of expiration. They'll also ask for your residential address, and you'll fill out this information right here. And if you're the one that owns this business, you're going to click on Confirm if primary contact person is the beneficial owner of the business. If you're opening a business for a different person, you'll select this other option down below. If you've added all the business owners, you'll go ahead and click yes. If you've not added all the business owners, click no, and Amazon will ask for some more information about all the business owners. So then check on this box and click the next button. For the next section, you're going to need a valid bank account number as well as a valid credit card. And this is the third most common mistake that gets people denied from being able to sell on Amazon, and sometimes even banned. If you try to use a debit card or a prepaid credit card, oftentimes Amazon will not accept that and they will ban you, and they're not going to really tell you why. So make sure that you have a valid credit card. Well, then click Continue. You're then going to add a bank account, and it's going to ask you whose name is on the bank account. Is it your personal name or is it the business name? If you do have a business bank account and the business name is the same name as your LLC, you'll click on that button. But if the bank account is in your personal name, you'll click on your personal name. But then you're going to select which bank is your financial institution associated with. And Willem chose to go with Chase Bank, but usually I recommend going with US Bank because they have free business banking, and not all banks have free business banking accounts. If you're not in the US or you're traveling, you can always open up a bank account with Payoneer or World First Bank. You're then going to put in your routing number as well as your bank account number. And if you have any checks, the routing number is going to be the first 9-digit number, and then the bank account number will be the second number on the check. You'll then scroll down and click on Verify Bank Account. You're then going to put in your credit card information for your monthly subscription fee. And as a reminder, they're only going to charge you this once, and they're not going to charge you it again until you start actively selling on Amazon. So you'll scroll down and you'll put in your credit card number, the expiration date, and the card holder's name. You're then going to scroll down and click next. At this point, you're going to put your store's name, and your store name can be whatever you want it to be. I recommend having it be the same as your LLC, but it doesn't need to be. If you want it to instead be the same name as your product, that's okay as well. And this is the name that people are going to see on Amazon when they buy our product or they come to our store. Amazon's then going to ask you, do you have universal product codes? And a UPC code is the barcode that's on just about every single product in the world. When you go to Walmart or you go to a store and they scan that barcode, that is the UPC code. So if you're selling products that you bought from a retail store, they're already gonna have a UPC code. But if you're selling your own product, a brand new product like a private label product or a passion product, which is what I recommend selling on Amazon, then you're going to need to buy your own UPC code. And you can go to gs1.org and click on Get Your Barcodes to buy barcodes. It's then going to ask you if you have any diversity certifications for your business. And if you are minority, women, veteran, or LGBT-owned business, I recommend applying for one of these diversity certifications because Amazon sometimes does highlight these certifications in the search results. However, in this case, we do not have any of these certifications, so I'm going to select no. The last question is, are you the manufacturer or brand owner for any of the products you want to sell on Amazon? And we are the brand owner. Even though we're not the ones actually manufacturing it, we own the brand. So in Amazon's eyes, we're going to select yes for this answer. Another question that they'll ask is, do you own a government registered trademark for the branded products that we're going to sell on Amazon? And we do. We did apply and received a trademark for this product, so I'm going to select yes. But then we're going to click on the next button, and it's going to take us to the final screen where we're going to verify all our information. And as we scroll down, it's going to ask us to upload our passport. You can take a high quality photo or do a scan of your passport and upload it here. It's also going to ask us for proof of our address. And there's a few different ways to do this. You can do a bank account statement or a credit card statement. You can print that off as a PDF and upload that document here as well. You're then going to select next, and this leads us to the fourth mistake that people make when applying for the Amazon seller account, and that's not being patient. Sometimes it does take a little bit of time for Amazon to approve your account. Now this is called FBM, which stands for Fulfilled by Merchant. And it's one of the two different ways that you can sell on the Amazon platform. The other way that you can sell on the Amazon platform is called FBA, which stands for Fulfilled by Amazon. And FBA allows you to send all the products that you want to sell into the Amazon warehouse. And whenever you get a sale on Amazon, Amazon's going to pick, pack, and do all the shipping for you. If you enroll in the FBA program, it's also going to make it so that all the products that you send into the warehouse are Prime eligible. Meaning when people are scrolling on Amazon and they see your product, they're gonna know that if they buy it, they're gonna be able to receive it in just 2 days. And people are much more likely to buy Prime eligible products.